Check this out. This is I used to live in Florida. Nice sunny beaches, no snow in the winter. Maybe a little rain every once in a while. Moved up to Nebraska, and this is what I have to endure now. It's fucking bullshit. It's kind of hard to see. You can only see the drops on the window, but there's actual snow blowing at us. Well, it's actually frozen water on the windshield. See if we can get a side shot here. Nope, sorry, it's just ice on the outside of the windows. Wish I could show you a little better. See, you can see the snow coming across a little bit there. But, well, this is what I have to deal with now. Current temperature is in the single digits. So, needless to say, it's freezing here, and I'm ready to go back to Florida. Oh yeah, all that steam, that's snow being blown. That's not steam from the exhaust. And the car is now shaking because the winds are blowing so hard. So, be glad you don't live here in Nebraska. Woo. Alright, and more snow. Alright, take care.